What is up, folks? It is your girl Crystal, the Puzzle Fit Trainer, where we are putting those pieces together for total mind, body, and fitness. Today, I am bringing you a 15-minute Tabata workout. If you don't know what Tabata is, that is 20 seconds of work followed by 10-second rest. Tabata is not for the faint of heart, so you better be ready. All right, folks, you're going to need a step for this workout. If you do not have a step, I have put a link in the description box so you can purchase a step, because we're going to be using this step in 2018 to get in shape. Go ahead and pause this video, like the Puzzle Fit Facebook page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, folks, we're going to just warm up a few minutes before we start this workout. So what I want everyone to do is go ahead and jog in place. Take some deep breaths in and blow them out. Good. Deep breaths in and blow them out. Now go ahead and take those knees up. Okay, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. Just bring those knees up. We're just warming up here. All right. Now next we're going to go into a jumping jack. Let's do it. Just warming up that body. This is your time to take deep breaths, to get those lungs ready. I'm going to stay here a few more minutes, and then we're going to go into some slow squats. Okay, let's go ahead and go into a slow squat. Come up really slow. We're going to do 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Go ahead, rotate those ankles, because we're going to be using a step. So we want to get those ankles ready. Right, go ahead and go to the other ankle. Good. Just rotating those ankles. Make sure you're taking deep breaths. All right. I think we're ready. Let's do it. First thing we're going to do is step jumps with a burpee. You just go ahead and follow me. Y'all ready? Let's do it. 20 seconds. Make sure you breathe. You're supposed to be going as fast as you can. Let's go ahead and rest. We got 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Back to those jump burpees. 20 seconds. Make sure that you breathe. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! 10 seconds rest. All right, next we're going to have a running up and down. Okay, go ahead and start. Running up and down. Woo. 20 seconds. 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest. Woo. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Two times. We're going to do each exercise. 20 seconds on. 10 seconds off. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Next exercise. We're going to do a split squat. It's going to be more of a strength move. So put that left leg on the step. Strength split squat. 20 seconds. Make sure you breathe. This is more of a strength move, more than cardio. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides. If y'all can see, I'm watching my phone. To keep time, let's go ahead and begin. 20 seconds. Whew. My heart is pumping. It's going down a little bit because we're doing a strength move now. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10-second rest. Okay, we got one more exercise before we get a 1-minute break. Y'all ready? 3 more seconds. We're gonna do some squat jumps. Squat down. Whew. 20 seconds. Whew. 10 more seconds. Ooh, these burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shake that out. Lord Jesus. Ooh. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Ooh. 20 seconds. You can do it. Just breathe. It's gonna burn, but it's helping us get in shape. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, woo. Let's go ahead and take a 30-second break, not 1 minute. 30-second break. So that 30 seconds was not long enough, okay? The next exercise is going to be slow and controlled. Since the heart rate has went down just a little bit, we're going to do one-legged jump up. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable doing it on the step, then it's okay. You can just do it in place, okay? Everyone else, if you want to use the step up, step down. Step up, step down. We're going to do that for 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and then we're going to rotate through. You guys ready? Let's do it. It's all about the balance, using the core, using all the small muscles in the leg. You may have one side that is more balanced than the other. Go ahead and stop. 10 seconds rest. Okay, we're going to switch to another leg. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable stepping on the step, you can just hop on the ground. I'm gonna use the step. Really use the core to keep balance. Tighten the core and use the small leg muscles to keep you balanced. Last one, good. 10 seconds rest. Whew. All right. Next exercise we're doing is we're going to jump over the bench. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Jump over the bench. Touch the floor. Jump the bench. Touch the floor. 20 seconds. Try to go fast. This is meant to get the heart rate up. So let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. 10 seconds rest. We're going to do that one more time. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Try to go fast. Try to go fast. Get that heart rate up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. 5 more seconds. We're gonna do toe touches on the bench. Ready? Let's go. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. Let's go on the other side. Let's like to switch sides. 3, 2, 1. Let's work. Good. Breathe. Go as fast as you can. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Woo. All right, rest 10 seconds. Next exercise is going to be a twist hop. It's going to look like this. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable with the step, then just use the floor. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let me go ahead and switch sides. Let's do it. Speed it up. Five more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. 30-second rest. All right, folks, so the next exercise is going to be a side hop. Let's do it. And you can go faster. This is going fast. This is actually getting balanced. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, 10-second rest. And then this 20 seconds, I'm going to try my best to go fast. Okay, 2, 1. Make sure that you breathe. This is supposed to be high intensity. 10 more seconds. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Let's go ahead and rest. 10 seconds. We're going to be doing a decline push-up. Let's go ahead and get in that push-up position. 20 seconds. Let's go. If you can't do a push-up, you can go to your knees. Keep it going. Use those arms. Rest. Shake it out. We got one more set of those. You ready? Let's do it. Go slow and controlled. Tighten the core. Make sure you breathe. Last one. Good. Next exercise is going to be mountain climbers. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. We just used those arms for push-ups, so my arms are a little fatigued, but it's okay. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Shake it out. Woo. Oh, feels good. Heart pumping. Y'all ready? Let's do it. 20 seconds. Push it out. Go as fast as you can. 10 more seconds. We can do it. 3, 2, 1. save the best for last. We got some rocket jumps. Y'all ready? So put that leg up, jump up. Woo! 20 seconds. We can do it. Let's work those legs. Keep that core tight. Breathe. Last one. Woo! Rest. We're gonna switch legs. This is the last exercise, you guys. Push it out. Breathe. Use those leg muscles. Tighten that core. Last one. Woo! Y'all see what 10 minutes can do for your body? That was 10 minutes, okay? It's not that hard, folks. So make sure that you stretch and you hydrate, and I will see y'all on another day.